maths class, and today we'll do symmetry, linear and rotational symmetry. So the concept we are going to cover in this chapters are linear symmetry in geometrical shapes, linear symmetry in English alphabet, and rotational symmetry in geometrical shapes. Symmetry is an important geometrical concept commonly seen in natural and artificial thing. आप अपने आसपास कई buildings में, नेचर में अगर आप देखेंगे तो एनिमल्स में, लीव्स में, फ्लावर्स में, यू कैन सी द सिमेट्री. मोस्ट ऑफ द हिस्टोरिकल बिल्डिंग्स आर सिमेट्रिकल. हियर यू कैन सी द ताजमहल. यू कैन सी ताजमहल इज सिमेट्रिकल अराउंड दिस लाइन. सम सिमेट्रिकल ऑब्जेक्ट्स that we use in our daily life. Here you can see the window and door. Next is symmetry. A figure which is identical on both sides means line of symmetry के दोनों side पे अगर figure identical है then it is said to be the symmetrical, and the line about which the figure is symmetrical, it is called the line of symmetry. Symmetrical figure may have more than one line of symmetry. एक से ज़्यादा भी line of symmetry हो सकती है. And equilateral triangle, अगर equilateral triangle all three sides are equal, that have three line of symmetry. Here you can see three line of symmetry. Square has four line of symmetry because all four sides are equal. Rectangle has two line of symmetry. Rhombus has two line of symmetry along the diagonal. Regular pentagon have 5 line of symmetry. Hexagon have 6 line of symmetry. A regular polygon has as many line of symmetry as the number of sides. जितनी number of side होगी उतनी ही line of symmetry होगी. The circle has infinite number of line of symmetry. Here you can see a circle has infinite line of symmetry. Next is symmetry in English alphabets. So if we talk about the English alphabet, A, this is the vertical line of symmetry. B have horizontal line of symmetry. C have horizontal line of symmetry. D also have horizontal line of symmetry. H have both vertical and horizontal. I also have both vertical and horizontal. M have vertical line of symmetry, and T have vertical line of symmetry. Next is evolution time 11.1. Fill in the blanks. An equilateral triangle has 3 line of symmetry. All 3 sides are equal. It has 3 line of symmetry. So in equilateral triangle, all 3 sides are equal. So it has 3 line of symmetry. Next, draw the line of symmetry for the following figure. So in the given figure, this is the line of symmetry. Next, draw the line of symmetry in the following English alphabet if possible. So S don't have any line of symmetry. Next is, which of the following figure are symmetrical about the given line of symmetry? This figure is not symmetrical around the given line of symmetry because it's not dividing into two equal halves. So this is not. Next is rotational symmetry. As we see moving hands of the clock in one direction about the fixed point, that is the center of the clock. Rotation like a movement of hand of the clock is called the clockwise rotation. अगर clock की direction में हो रहा है, it is clockwise, otherwise it is said anti-clockwise. Similarly, rotation of the blade of the fan, wheel and bicycle, etc. When an object rotates, its shape and size not change. अगर कोई object rotate होता है तो that doesn't mean कि उसका shape और size भी change हो रहा है. The rotation turn an object about the fixed point. This fixed point is known as the center of rotation. इसको कहते हैं center of rotation. An angle of turning during the rotation, that is called the angle of rotation. The figure is said to have the rotational symmetry if it gives the same figure during the complete rotation. The order of rotational symmetry is the number of time an object looks the same as it did originally when it rotates through 360 degree. So एक figure, how many times it come to original position during the complete rotation, that is known as the order of rotational symmetry. If the shape appear to have no rotational symmetry, अगर कोई भी rotational symmetry नहीं है, still it has the order of rotational symmetry 1 because every shape look is the same at the end of 360 degree rotation as it was originally. Let us see the rotational symmetry in an equilateral triangle. So this is the original form. Now it rotates through 120 degree. So A, B and C. Now we are rotating it. A come here, B is here and C is here. Now again, we are rotating it to again 120 degree means total 240 degree. Original position में आ जाएगा. Again 120 degree, total 360 degree में again original position. So in the above figure, we have rotated the equilateral triangle ABC clockwise through 120 degree, 240 degree and 360 degree respectively to get the original position. So rotational symmetry क्या हो जाएगी? Order of 3. Hence the order of rotational symmetry in equilateral triangle is 3 and angle of rotation हो जाएगा 120 degree. Let us see the rotational symmetry in square. स्क्वायर की अगर बात करें, सो दिस इज ओरिजिनल फॉर्म. Now we'll rotate to 90 degree. Again 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. So 4 times it's coming into original position. So in the above figure, we have rotated the square ABCD clockwise direction 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 and 360 degree respectively to got the original position. Hence, the order of rotation symmetry in square is 4 and जो angle हो जाएगा that is 90 degree. Here some geometrical shapes have the both reflection rotational symmetry. Equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry, reflection symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 3. Square has 4 lines of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 4. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 2. Rhombus have 2 lines of symmetry, rotational symmetry of order 2. Circle has infinite line of symmetry, rotational symmetry of any degree or infinite rotation symmetry. Letter H have 2 lines of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 2. Letter A have only 1 line of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 1. Next is evolution time 11.2. The order of rotational symmetry in an equilateral triangle is 3. Next, write the order of rotational symmetry in the following figure. So, in this figure, the order of rotational symmetry is 4. Next, write the order of rotational symmetry in the following figure. So, B, it has order 1 rotational symmetry because only once in the complete rotation it will come to its original position. Clear? So, ये सारे questions आप practice करेंगे. Next is look back. A figure which is identical on both sides of line in it are said to be symmetrical. A regular polygon has as many lines of symmetry as it has number of sides. An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry and square has 4 lines of symmetry. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Circle has infinite line of symmetry. The figure is said to be the rotational symmetry if it gives the same figure during the complete rotation. Next is mental zone. A regular pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. A scalene triangle has no line of symmetry. So D is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आपको समझ में आ गया. Now to practice it.